Welcome back to Top Tech Growth Hacks, everyone. I'm Alex, and I'm thrilled to be here with my co-host, Jamie.
And I'm Jamie. We're diving into a really critical sector today, one that touches all our lives, healthcare. Specifically, we're looking at how custom software development is transforming healthcare operations, especially in places like Minneapolis.
It's a fascinating paradox, Jamie. The article we're discussing highlights that health systems today are swimming in more patient data than ever before, yet clinical teams are still burning hours reconciling disconnected platforms, re-entering information, and patching up compliance gaps that should have been solved at the architectural level.
Exactly. More technology, but often the same operational friction. It's like having a super fast car with square wheels. The core message is that the difference between organizations that close this gap and those that widen it almost always comes down to the development partner they choose.
And this isn't just about coding, it's about deep understanding. A team that doesn't internalize HIPAA, for example, from Sprint 1 is going to cost you more in rework and audit exposure than any initial contract savings.
Absolutely. You need a strategic partner who builds scalable architecture, manages complex integrations like HL7 and FHIR, and bakes security into the very first sprint. They catch those compliance gaps before they become incredibly expensive problems.
So our article actually spotlights 10 top healthcare software development companies, many based right in Minneapolis, that are doing this right. Let's touch on a few of their specialties.
For sure. Kicking it off, Glorium Technologies, while globally delivered from New Jersey, stands out for HIPAA-compliant platforms, medical device software, and AI clinical tools. They're ISO certified, an AWS partner, and even have their own no-code AI platform, CogniAgent, for things like appointment scheduling and claims processing.
That's impressive. Then you have Minneapolis-based Coherent Solutions, known for large-scale digital engineering for health systems and medtech, with a fantastic client retention rate. And Emergent Software is your go-to if you're looking for Microsoft Stack healthcare apps or Azure cloud migrations.
For patient-facing solutions, Vessel Partners specializes in apps for chronic care and remote monitoring. And if you're in a hospital or surgery center needing robust clinical documentation, Provation has been doing that since 1994, offering mature, proven tools.
Then there's Clockwork, bringing a design-driven approach to health insurance apps and API integrations, really focusing on that user experience. And Billio Health is doing amazing things for home health agencies with a cloud platform that integrates billing, scheduling, and documentation.
Right. SRS Web Solutions focuses on automated patient intake and practice workflows, serving millions of patients. Sketch Development Services offers end-to-end development with robust CI/CD automation, perfect for cloud-optimized healthcare applications. And finally, MentorMate, with their Minneapolis office, excels at UX-driven products for regulated healthcare and pharma, ensuring clinicians actually want to use the software.
It really underscores that the Minneapolis healthcare tech ecosystem is mature and competitive. But the key takeaway is that understanding regulations and embedding compliance from day one are two very different things. Those early architectural decisions dictate your compliance posture and total cost of ownership for years.
Absolutely. Before you even write a single line of code, define your workflow requirements, verify certifications, and look for a partner that asks those hard compliance questions before they even recommend a technology stack. That due diligence upfront saves so much headache and expense down the line.
Fantastic advice, Jamie. It's not just about finding a developer. It's about finding a true partner with clinical domain knowledge and a compliance-first mindset.
Couldn't agree more. And that's all for today's episode of Top Tech Growth Hacks. Thanks for tuning in.
Thanks for listening, everyone. We'll catch you next time on Top Tech Growth Hacks.